Hello and welcome to this video tour of number 33 Sherbourne Drive. My name is Gary from WhiteKnights Estate Agents, of course, and I'll be giving you the tour. So first of all, just wanted to tell you a little bit about the location. What we have here is of an open green this property overlooks, with another row of properties opposite. So it's a very quiet spot here in North Woodley, walking distance to shops, schools, bus services. It's all really close by. So this property has quite a wide plot. You can see the fence panel to the left of the front door, and that shows a bit of side. I'll show you when we're in the rear garden, but that's a bit of side patio. The garage block here on the left hand side, you can see the parking in front of it as well. This is where the garage is located for this house, and the side garden where the shed is, there is a door straight into the garage, so really handy to have the garage alongside the house. So without further ado, I'll see you inside. So we're inside now, and this is the entrance porch. There's the front door that I've just come through. We've got a storage space just at the right hand side of the front door. I'm just going to step here and turn round and show that we've got this sort of secondary door glazed panel there taking you into the entrance hall. Stairs on the left to the first floor. It's got an understairs storage cupboard where the gas boiler is located. We understand the gas boiler is circa 10 years old and has been serviced just recently. Door on the right there takes you to the downstairs WC, and then round the corner we've got the lounge and the kitchen. So let's start in this WC. As you can see, we've got a wash basin with a vanity covered under. There's a radiator and the low-level WC on the right. Worth pointing out the fact that we've got a window in the WC. So often you see extractor fans, but this one is a window. And also, just whilst I'm on the window subject, this house has UPVC double glazed sealed unit replacement windows, and also I mentioned the gas boiler, gas central heating. So the lounge diner is across the full width of the back of the house. There's the dining area over to the right, with the window overlooking the garden. You can see we've got sliding patio doors. They're UPVC double glazed again. And the fireplace there is purely just a mock fireplace. It's not a real fireplace, that one. You can see the view of the rear garden from here. I'll show you the garden in just a few moments. Let's focus on the house first. So the dining area, serving hatch on the right to the kitchen, and then spinning round, this is the lounge area. Nice that it overlooks the rear garden, and also a southerly aspect as well. Just making our way now through here into the kitchen. Lots of units in the kitchen, very well fitted. We've got some integrated appliances. The tall cupboard there, in fact, is the fridge freezer integrated. And we've got a built-in double oven with a hob. Actually, that's a 5-ring gas hob. But just focusing on the units. So we've got a work surface space to the left with a cupboard under. More work surface space spinning round there as well. So really well fitted and eye-level units on the right there, and also over to the left. And I'm just going to step to one side, spin round. As you can see, the current owners, they've got a table and chairs there. So you could say kitchen breakfast room. Front aspect window, again UPVC double glazed sealed unit. So that is the ground floor of this property, and I'll see you upstairs. So we're on the landing of the property now. We've got doors to 3 of the bedrooms, of course, and bathroom. Just going to point the camera up a little bit here so that you can see we've got a big access to the loft space. And in front of me is the airing cupboard. I don't normally open airing cupboards or cupboards generally, but on videos, but this is a very big airing cupboard, so I'm actually going to show you that. You can see the tank there, lots of shelving. It's a really big airing cupboard. So focusing on the bedrooms, first of all, to my left here, the main bedroom. As you can see, we've got a double bed in situ there, lots of space for furniture, as you can see. Rear aspect window, I'm just going to step into the room and spin round, because in the corner we've got a built-in double wardrobe just there. So good size main bedroom. And interestingly, the second bedroom is also a really good size. This is almost the size of a lot of main bedrooms in 3-bedroom houses. Just worth pointing out that the bed is actually pulled forward slightly. There's a unit behind it, as you can see. So normally that bed would sit further back against the wall. But again, room for furniture. Really good double bedroom, the second bedroom. And then behind me here is the third bedroom. And this is front aspect. Cupboard in the corner, again, a very deep cupboard. So good storage in this house. Just to my left here, last of all on this level, we have well, it's a shower room toilet. It was a bathroom. In fact, a bath could be fitted back in place as well if you wanted, but what we have here is the pedestal wash basin, the low-level WC, and then we have the shower cubicle. It's quite a big corner shower. You can see the shower in there, all tiled. Quite a lot of tiling as well, and radiator just on my right-hand side here. And again, the window, double glazed sealed unit, the opaque style. So that's the first floor of this property, and I'll now see you in the garden. Here we are in the garden, which, as you can see, is definitely a feature of this house. It's a lovely garden, southerly aspect. Unfortunately, it's not sunny today, but it's really quite an established garden. Got a decked patio here, and to one side of the decked patio we've got a paved patio as well. But lovely garden, very established. I'm just going to wander down to the bottom of the garden here. I'm going to turn around because this will show you firstly the back of the house. Let's focus on that first. But also, as you can see, the width of plot. We've got this side piece of land where it's all patio, but you've got a couple of sheds, a few garden stores. Let's have a wander down and I'll show you that from here we can access the garage as well. You can see the side gate at the end. Lots of potential to extend on the side. This, as we always have to say, it's subject to planning, but definitely a property which you could do something with, I'm sure. So the door here, straight into the garage. As you can see, we have a light in here and power points. Up and over door there. So it's a single garage, but really good to have access to the garage from the actual plot itself. And then just to finish the tour, quick view of the rear garden again from here. Really quite a nice feature, very private, and as I said, southerly aspect. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to know any more details, my name is Gary. The number's on the website. Same telephone number if you'd like to book a viewing appointment. Thanks for watching.